guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a new wig unboxing. So you all already know Wowangel is one of my favorite wig companies. And I wanted to try out some new colors because I just really love that blonde I wore like a few weeks ago or whatever. So this should be a 28-inch ash blonde wig from Wowangel, 13 by 6, and I just love their lace. So we'll see if they have really good lace on this wig too. Once again, I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. We're going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. I've gotten a lot of recommendations for like trying a highlighted wig. This is a little heavy, which is looking good. I feel like Wowangel really nails their densities. So let's go ahead and open this wig and see what we have here. See what we're working with. Okay, so here's the box. Wowangel, they always have like the same little pink box, but let's go ahead and open this thing and see what we have here. Hold up now. Okay, no, that's just the netting. I thought like, dang, is that a 1B? It looked dark, but it comes with all these little treats. You all know, wig caps, elastic band, edge brush, lashes, like, you know, the regular stuff. And here is the wig. Let's see what we're working with. So, okay. Oh, look, it comes with this. This is cute. This is like to hold your edges while you're installing the wig. Like, that's actually nice. I may actually use that. But here's the wig. Let me take it out the back so y'all can see it a little better. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. And okay, I'm excited now. Oh, one thing about these nails, these are from Shein press-ons. But these nails, they always get caught on everything because they're so glittery like that. But let's start at the lace. Looking at the lace, y'all see that it is kind of distressed here. Like, it's not just the fire truck is out there, but y'all see that it's kind of distressed. And the lace is not just straight across. So like you see, it's like torn over here. That's a sign of some good HD lace right there. But let me back a little bit. Like, I am loving this color. Like, I don't even know if it's showing well on camera, but let me get really close. So you see that the roots are actually 1B, which I love. We have actual 1B roots. This is kind of like a weird coloring, like this jump from here to here. Like you all see, like it's kind of yellowish right here. So I would probably just tone this with some purple shampoo and it's gonna look flawless. But you all see it's kind of like a weird color right there. But, well, I guess it doesn't look that bad, like right here. From afar, it doesn't look bad, but like looking close, I'm like, But I think I'll take out some of the brassy color at the roots over here, like right here, just with some purple shampoo. But it doesn't look that bad, you can keep it. But let me get close so you all can see the color. Like, this is a really pretty color. I hope it is showing on camera. Like, I know it looks glossy, but there's like this, I would say this is like an ash brown more than an ash blonde, which I really like. I love playing with new colors like this. Like, I feel like this is gonna look really pretty on me. Like, I hope y'all can really see the color. This is nice. This is something fun. Like, you don't see many people with this color. And I think it's probably really hard to get this color because it's like just right on the cusp of blonde. Like, this is, I would say this is kind of brown. But this is really cute. I love it. And the thickness is all there. Like, this is, the hair is really silky and beautiful. I feel like Wowangel has some of the best hair. Like, they're my favorite Aliexpress company. I would say of all time right now. I know some of you all have told me that it's a little expensive. So I'm gonna keep looking, but yeah, Wowangel really is it for me. So this is 28 inches. I'm not used to my hair being this short. Like, I think Wowangel doesn't really go up to like 40 and stuff. That's the only downside with Wowangel, is they usually go up to about 32. But let me show you all how long this is on me. So I'm 5'7". So, okay, it's still touching my butt. Like, that's pretty long, you guys. And it's in its body wave state. So that is really, really long. This wig came super fast too. Like, it took less than a week. That's another reason I love Wowangel. Their hair never takes long to come at all. So let me pull out my measuring tape and see how long this hair actually is. But it's pretty long looking at it. I can tell this hair is pretty long just when I just showed you all. But okay, unstretched, the hair is 25, it looks like. Stretched is actually hitting 30. That is really fantastic. I don't see any problem with this wig. Like, it is giving. It looks slightly pre-plucked already. Like, the hairline does not look bad at all. The only downside I would say right now is you might want to just add some purple shampoo up here. This area right here where it goes from 1B to like the blondish color. Like, that's a really pretty color. Like, I don't even know what number this color is. I guess this would be like, this isn't even 4, like number 4 hair color. And I feel like you don't get enough wigs like this anymore on Aliexpress. All the wigs are like 427 to where it's like this color and then super blonde. But I like the 1B mix to where you get 1B 613 or 1B in like a really light blonde. I think that's really cute. Only problem I would say, add a little purple shampoo up here if you want to do that. Like, to me, I feel like that will look good. I'll probably do that pretty soon because I'm excited to wear this wig. This is so cute. Like, I don't see anyone with this color ever, you guys. Like, Wowangel gets me right every single time. I love them. This wig, 28 inches, was $325, I believe. Let me see how long they go to. So 28 inches is actually as long as you can get. Oh, and I also didn't show you all the inside of the wig. So I have a big head, and if any wig fits on me, it's definitely big head friendly. Their wigs fit on me. So if you have a big head, these wigs should fit on you. This is a 13 by 6. So the middle is the full 13 by 6. You do get a nice amount over here. A nice amount of parting space on that side. A nice amount of parting space on that side. But yeah, you get the full 13 by 6 or the 6 inches just in the middle. But I'm loving this color. I feel like you can see it better like that too. You can kind of see the color better. Like, this is a color that's super duper hard to describe. But I love it. Like, I can't even think of a celebrity that has hair this color. I was thinking like Stacey Dash, but her hair is like more yellowish than this. Like, this is a very muted, beautiful tone. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm going to work on this wig. Like, Wowangel, this hair doesn't even have like, it's not that it doesn't have a smell. It smells good. Like, I actually like this smell. Like, unless I was smelling my hair. I probably was smelling my hair just then. But it didn't have a smell, you guys. Oh, and I'm gonna link this hair in the description box. This wig is from Wowangel on Aliexpress, so you all can check out this deep wave wig. But I just don't like wearing deep wave hair for too long. But it's this wig for me. It is everything. Not getting any shedding. I forgot to even check that. Like, no, it's no shedding when I rub my hands through it. But it's just like, I expect Wowangel to be a certain quality because it just always gives. So you all can see the difference between this color and the 1B hair on my head right now. Like, this is really pretty. But I can't wait to play with this wig a little bit. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.